How to change region in Brawlhalla. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the region. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So this is the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see the option called change region. Tap on change region. So as you can see, I have been in this region. Now you can select the region or change the server by just simply tapping on it. Now tap on add servers. So as you can see, these are the servers that are available. Now we can simply tap on enable to enable and select them here. Now go back and select the server that you want to change it to and you'll be done. So you can even add VPNs or use other VPNs in order to change region to play with other players. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.